Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the daily analysis. Let's see what we might expect today. For the price, we're gonna start as usual to assess our price position regarding the base channel of the bear market here, where we see the price ranging since of course the declaration of the bear market or the confirmation of it by breaking the base channel of this impulse bull run there and starting our bear market in an WX and Y for wave A, potentially wave B, or I would say even larger WX and a wave Y, which is the most and the highest probability here that it might be unfolding. Because we're looking for an impulse, I'm expecting another zigzag here, that it can be also deep, so we gotta be careful. If we're gonna follow the base channel, we might get this scenario here, guys. So as a zigzag, repeating of course the same structure there, that it can be of course hitting the 1-to-1 Fibonacci level, which is 40k here. This is the most aggressive bear market of course scenario between our probabilities that we got. Currently the price position is still above the middle line of the base channel, and yeah, actually it is ranging as a corrective so far. Nothing is impulsive, so the rejection here was in 3 waves, and we're looking potentially to continue toward the downside and slowly breaking this middle line of the acceleration channel, guys. So this is or the base channel, I would say. So this is regarding the channeling. If we take a look also at the probabilities here. For the probabilities, as we mentioned on the daily, Bitcoin chose the most aggressive scenario, which is W, the X, very shallow, and then wave Y. The wave Y is an A, B, and a C. The wave A is still unfinished, and we're looking to finish it, and we're looking for a wave B, and then wave C to unfold toward the downside. Don't forget the timing is very essential, and also the price here as a fib level is the minimum requirement for a wave 2, and that means I still believe this area is going to be touched within the price sooner or later, and this is going to be of course our finished 3 ways down for a W, 3 ways up for an X, 3 ways down for a wave Y here. Wave 2 finished, and we push for higher again. So very interesting what is going on here. So it shows of course this first probability and the prior in time, because of course you know it can be very shallow. We were expecting also a potential regular flat, it didn't choose it. Expanding flat, both are out. So we're looking here still for lower. I'm looking for the 0.38 as well. We'll see how this is going to be taken there. The deep correction for a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is out also of the scenario, because we didn't get any kind of like a deep wave 3, guys. I was expecting the wave 3 to unfold from there and not pushing for higher. Now this wave is of course impulsive, but don't forget that we got invalidation, so it's not a wave 3. Can it be like 1, 2, 1, 2? Yes, it can be, but this is gonna be very, very deep for 5, 4, 5. So this is our deep potential scenario in a very, very bearish market, but we're talking here about very bearish one. Yeah, so because a wave 3 might bring us directly towards the 35k, then you might have a double 4-5, you might reach the 25k. Then what is left there? Wave B and then wave C until 15k. That's impossible for Bitcoin right now. I don't see this scenario again from the 2022 and 2023 that we got a 15k, guys. I don't see it yet. I see honestly a very shallow one, and that because of the deep analysis that we do every weekend, guys. So you can go back for it and see why I'm looking for a shallow bear market. If we take a look at the 1-hour chart here, for Bitcoin, we're looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 unfinished. Your wave 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave 5 of 5 is still unfolding. Very extended move here for Bitcoin. Of course, there is a probability of double 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, but it's too early. I still need the signal. Once we finish, of course, this low, taking the 56, 55k is my target for this wave 5 to finish over there. And then I'm gonna assess the situation. Are we gonna get kind of like 3 waves, meaning, okay, Wave 5 is unfolding. That means directly double 1, 2. Yeah. Wave 3, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, of course, to unfold for lower prices. Now, currently, as well, if we dive a little bit deeper, we can see that this last move from Bitcoin here as a 1, 2, 1, 2, or even on the 15-minute chart, let me check. So it is a full impulse 1, 2 there. Wave 3 given, yes. And wave 4, no invalidation. So mark this invalidation there of bearish. So it is not taken yet. And that means, of course, the pressure of selling is still there, especially that we are corrective here. Nothing is impulsive. And we might continue the drop towards the downside simply for lower prices today. And we might see a wave 5 to unfold with a new low to take also this wave 3 there, then having another 4 and a 5 because we have double 1, 2. Don't forget, starting from there, guys. So we have also double 1, 2, and this is only a wave 3 unfolding there. And then having 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 for lower prices. Yep, so that was it for Bitcoin. We're gonna see potentially today some red. Of course, wave 5 might be unfolding. This is the best scenario. But of course, we're gonna watch step by step. But the highest probability is, of course, some red. Wave 5 continue the drop, especially towards the 1-to-1 fib level. In case we are in ABC corrective, meaning that even if we are bullish here, because this is a correction to push for higher, that means, of course, the 60K 625 is very likely to be taken. That was it for Bitcoin, the daily analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.